have something super exciting to share with you guys today. In this box here, we have the Momento, which is the new craft cutting machine from Singer. We are going to unbox it. And as you can see, it is huge, which means you can cut out really big projects. So let's get the Momento out of the box and check it out. Woo! Let's open up this box and check out everything that's inside. We are ready to unleash our creative potential. Let's go. Okay. So it looks like it comes with a piece of vinyl in here to try it out with. We've got our 12 by 24 standard grip mat. We have our 12 by 24 fabric grip mat. This is packaged really well. Got a box here, box of goodies. Who doesn't love that? Okay. Put these. Oh, our QR code, so that way we can set everything up, download the software, which is free to download. Dual tip pen adapter. Woo! Looks like we have all of the things we need to plug it in. We've got a user's guide. We have the basic blade with the housing, and we have that rotary blade with the housing, which I'm super excited about for cutting out fabric. I don't see anything else on top, so we can take out the packaging. And now we've got to get our Momento out of here. So give me un momento and I will get it out. This is like unwrapping a delicious candy. I just can't wait to get the wrapper off. Whew, and there she is, the Momento. Let's go plug her in and check it out. We've got it out of the box and I have it plugged in. So now let's open it up and see what we need to do to get her on. I would like to mention that it's nice and slim and it doesn't take up that much space. That box was ginormous, so I was a little nervous, but it's actually fairly slender and should fit in just about any sewing room. So now we are going to open this up by bringing the front down, and we need to remove this foam piece here. So let's go ahead and remove that. And then we're also gonna need to remove these little white pieces on the wheels. So those are just there for shipping. So we wanna make sure that we remove those. Those were a little difficult to remove, but I got the little covers off of the pinch wheels. So we don't need those anymore. We removed the foam from here. And now we get to turn it on. We got one piece of film over the screen. Let's remove that. Woo! Okay, let's turn it on. There's our power button. Ooh, we are starting up. Woo! Welcome. Wow, should be bananas. Looks like we have a few screens to set it up. Ooh, we get to name the machine. This is always the hard part. Okay, I decided I'm gonna name my machine Iggy because I know this machine is gonna have some raw power. So named right after Iggy Pop. Ooh, now we're ready to make moments that matter. Now we're in the main menu. Let's poke around a little bit, see what we got. We got some preset designs here, okay. Pretty cool, it shows us the size of it. So you can put really big mats in here. You can get up to a 24 by 24 mat. That's 2 feet, 2 feet by 2 feet. That is pretty cool. Let's go back to the home. So you can store your favorites here. You got up to 10 favorites that you can store. You can repeat the last project instantly. And then right here, that's where you're gonna load your mat. And right here, it connects to the Wi-Fi, so you can connect it directly to the My SewNet program. So that way you can send your designs directly to the machine. I'm gonna do that part later. This looks so cool, all lit up. And right over here, this is where we're gonna put our cutting tools in. And then we've got these little wheels here that are going to pull our mats into the machine. Speaking of mats, we've got the 12 by 24, and then right here, this is the big old 24 by 24. We can fit giant projects on here. I kind of want to cut out a dress on this thing, I'm not gonna lie. The Momento looks so cool, and I cannot wait to try this out. And I would love to know, what kind of projects would you guys like to see me create on the Momento? Leave that down below in the comments, because I am gonna have some videos coming out where I use the Momento to create projects. The first one's coming out in a few weeks. And in that video, I'll go over really how to set it up, how to send your designs to it, all the details you need to know for using the Momento. But I got so excited about getting this in the mail that I just had to share it with you. So definitely like, subscribe, and turn on the notifications so you know when the new Momento videos come out. Thanks so much for watching So Anastasia today. If you have any questions about this Momento, leave it down below, and I'll get back to you as soon as I can about it. And if you're in Chicago, come on into the design studio and take some sewing classes with me. Or you can take sewing classes online with me as well. The links for those are down below in the description. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram, Facebook, and all the other socials so that way we can stay connected and creative together. And you can stay up to date with my Momento projects. Thanks so much for watching. Bye!